Hi, this is Tony Cook, and welcome to What's in the Box. Today, HO-scale SD40-2s from ScaleTrains. This one we're looking at is a Sioux line example. This is a later era Sioux line with the 6600 numbering, and the red band coming down around the cab is slightly different from the earlier ones. I'll point that out as we get to it. Paperwork that comes with it is product manual. This is a DCC and sound equipped unit, so it has all those particulars for you. The model is packed inside a foam cardboard box. And very nice. It looks like we're moving up to this painted surface for the wheel facings, which I really like that. I think that's cool. And the Sioux color is a light gray. I think in a lot of pictures and things you think red and white, but it is a very, very, very light gray. As I say, this is a 6600 number. The earlier Sioux SD40-2s included kind of the GE style oval windows here on the side of the cab, and this had more of a pronounced curve to it rather than this straighter angle. So this is a later era SD40-2. I like the rear rail frog added there. Cool winterization hatch, and as we say later era, you can see by the standout grills here and the fan tops. Horns placed here to the side, all-weather cab, skid stuff on top of the nose. What an awesome looking model. Very cool. This is heading to Luke Lemons. We'll be reviewing this. He's got an awesome Sioux layout that's HO scale. His era is actually a little bit ahead of this, but he's going to take a look at this because he was interested in seeing it. So watch for his review in the pages of Model Railroad News of this Sioux SD40-2 from ScaleTrains. That's what's in the box today. Thanks for watching.